guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit text templates on CapCut PC. So if you just go to text and go to text template here, you're going to find one that you want to edit. For instance, I am going to choose, let's see, this one. I think that would be a little bit hard to edit, but like, it's fine. 5 best builds. So go to the one that you want to edit, for instance, builds, and then you can just select from these preset styles what you want, but it will change kind of like the effect that they have. So maybe if you want, you can change the color here instead, but again, it kind of does change the effect that they have. Oops. Let's put this back here again. But that's how you can change the color basically. So if you want to change the other one, just go and press expand and choose like a color. But again, it will kind of like change the effect that they have. And you can then change the text here. So maybe you want to type in the 5 worst builds. You can also adjust the font size here and the alignment and whatnot. And you can also again change the text and the color. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!